The Onshape runs in a browser and software is in the cloud. So the only things which runs on your browser is a JavaScript for user interface and a WebGL for graphics, and that's it. So the actual process of CAD geometry all done on Onshape server. So each documents like part, assembly, drawings runs parallel on Onshape server, and these parallel activities available only from cloud. So you will find racks of Parasolid kernel and DQ solver available only in Onshape. So if something happens and Onshape servers to crash, another server will take over. And same goes with the Parasolid kernel. And this will take some millisecond. You wouldn't even notice something happen. So you won't lose any data and you won't experience a crash in a case of Onshape. So Onshape is a completely different in terms of architecture, as we have seen. First of all data management is built in. So when you first sign in to the Onshape, you presented with a list of documents you are going to work on. Probably the biggest thing is there are no files. So there is a database at the heart of Onshape, which not only manages data you're working on, but also manages the distribution of data in between the multiple users. So why Onshape is a different? All data stored in a server and no data leaves from the server. So what I mean is that you could have one user working remotely accessing data, but also Onshape lets you share the data with multiple people at the same time. So multiple people can work on the same design and project in a real time. So there is a no locking of data, no need to worry about who has got the latest version. So everyone is looking at the correct version of data at all time. And one person um, changes something in it, updates immediately elsewhere. So there is no refreshing or no saving required in Onshape.